Hi, my name is Shivangi and I'm a Customer Solutions Manager at Orgzit. In this video, I'm going to tell you about Orgzit field sections. So, field sections basically help you keep your Orgzit data more organized and more readable. So, for example, in your Orgzit workspace, let's say you have 10, 20, or a large number of data fields. Now, when you look at all of them all at once, so it is very difficult to read them. Or for example, if you want to find a particular field, it becomes very difficult to find it in between so many data fields. So you can use field sections to segregate data and to keep it more organized so that the data is neatly organized into different sections and you know exactly where you can find a certain data. So I'll very quickly show you what difference do field sections basically make in an Orgzit workspace. So here I have a workspace named as Daily Task Management. Now I'll just quickly view my record and see what my data looks like. So currently I have a default section and I have a system information section. Okay, so I'll just now move to the table manage page and create a separate field section for tracking my tasks. So when you move to the table manage page, you can see a field sections section here. So I'll just click on add field section and I'll add a section named task details. You can give a section name, you can enter a sequence number, and you can also enter a description if you want to. Once done, just click on done. I'll also add another field section here, which will be task tracking. Successfully created different field sections. Now is the time to put your data fields into these field sections. For that, I'll move to the table fields section and look at the fields that I already have. Now, some of my fields have already been assigned a field section known as system information. Now, I'll go and set the field section for my other data fields. So, you can just edit it, assign a section, and click on submit. Now, I'll add it for all my data fields. Now I've set the field sections for all my data fields. Also, when you're adding a new data field, you can put the field section here itself then only. Now, since I already have had the data fields, I have assigned them a field section each. So let's go back and look at how my data looks now. So I'll just view a record. And here you can see that my data is now neatly segregated into three sections. Now I have the system information, I have the task details section, and I have the task tracking details here. So now when you have a large number of fields, you can create sections like this and you can group similar fields in one section. You can also change the position of these sections. Let me quickly show you how to do that. Move to the table manage, field sections page, and you can just drag and drop these sections and assign them the position in which you want them to be. You can also edit them or delete them at any point of time. Now you can see that the position of my field sections has been changed.